Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! You saw the thumbnail, you know what's up, and let's go. But before we go, shout out to Ian or Ian. Thank you buddy for helping out. Ian sent me a little help from his side, and I greatly appreciate it, so thank you. Let's go straight into it. And these are the tools you're gonna need to do this job. Pliers, 17, 14, 12 mil. Spanner, sockets, whatever you have. I will use an impact gun, but you can use sockets on a normal ratchet and pick, just any picks. Flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool to pry the plastics off or actually break them one way or another. Now let's get to the job. Now this will be a little different as the workshop is full and it's almost the end of the year. Let's start this way. So, we're gonna remove this seat belt from this. And the best and easiest way will be to remove this from the car. So firstly, we're gonna lift this up, unbolt the seat belt, then we're gonna unbolt the backrest from the car. I'll show you how to do it. And let's start from right here on the bottom. So by hand underneath you can pry it up. Oh, sorry, I hit you. Here on the bottom you can lift it up and away. Just pops out. This should be 12 mil. And these are 12 mil. Now you can just lift this up. The trunk is full with stuff, so don't mind it. Where is my good old pick? Sorry, you won't be able to see that well. I'll make sure you can see it well. There you go, that's the mechanism. We're just gonna push this down and out. And that came down and out too. This can go away on the side. Now just slide this ball out and we're done with it. Now that we disconnected this, we need to get the seat off. So all the seat needs to go out the car, because you cannot remove this separately itself, only on the bench. So yeah, we need to take the seat out and let's start removing stuff. And now it's all coming out. So then, let's start. It's on the bench. Now we need to remove this and this to have access. Usually you would get a trim removal tool and do this. But the problem is, somebody was trying to do this already and it broke this. So what you see how it is, you need to pry up here and lift like this up. Here is the notch already. So if you look at the chair like backwards, here is the notch. You need to pry it up like this. So this disconnects. As you can see, this is so in there that it's just done. It's done for it. So this is one thing. Look at the back always, and here's a slot from where you need to lift this up. This one will be a tricky one because inside here you need to peel this side first You will look at it right there. See, there's a shiny metal right there. We need to press that so this can lift upwards. So yeah, basically you have to push this in, push it in and upwards with the by pressing on the screwdriver on that tab. See, right, that metal tab. That is on the metal tab. Now this all lifts up, but it's pinned here and you can't really get to it there. Because here is a metal piece, let me show you. See, you can not get to this. Here is a pin and here is a pin, so there are two pins. You cannot get to them properly. For me, one broke. Like you need to peel them upwards. But as you can see, they do get wrecked. They do get wasted, done and wrecked. This is not what you should be doing. As you can see, it's not a pretty sight, but that's one way you need to pry it open, just to be able to remove this. This is stuck by two of these kind of tabs. Basically what you do now is try to push this down and upwards. See, it has a movement, it has a bit of movement. So by the middle you can lift this up. So basically this is just old cardboard, so you can see, and it came off from these. These are the stuff that holds it there. Now to remove this side, because the seatbelt is right here, we will undo these that holds this side on, and it's hooked on here too. Then we try to peel this outwards. Now, so this is off, 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 off. This goes off. Now it's starting to peel off a bit. So you can see the foam starts to come off too. We can see more inside. Now we need to remove the headrest. Here's the button right here. So here's a button on the other side. And then it all comes out. Just a button on this one. Now welcome to the other side. This comes off like this. Remember, I ruined previously this, so this is my bad. And I still haven't found a way how to not ruin this. If I found a way, I'll make another video or leave in the description the way how to remove it. For now, this is just on clips. This needs to go up like this first, and then these, but now that we gotten that far, this is all moving. Now I need to remove the top so it's loose at least. This is, you take it from behind and lift it upwards like this kind of movement. Did you hear that? Look, see? Ta-da! This is how the top goes on. So now you can actually peel off. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, we can. And hello, what's there? Hello, who's hiding there? Hello there. As you can see, you do not have to remove all of the seat. It's just this far. And there is the tensioner. Hello there, buddy. What are you doing there? Hiding, eh? There is the nut. Hold up, let me show you. And the lucky number is... $17! Yay! Sorry, this is a two-hand job. And now this should just lift up. There you go, it's out. Now as you can see, the belt is here and the tensioner is here. So let's see how this will play out, how we can remove this, because here is no split to pull this outwards. But the belt is here and we need to pull this through fully. So you can replace it, change it, whatever you want to do with it, do it. Wait, can this go fully through? Do I actually have to remove this? That's the question. The answer is no. So basically you can leave this inside. Didn't know. We go home. So basically once you put it through, that once you loop it around, this logo is down. So basically this needs to be like this. So make sure you remember how it bolts down needs to match with this. So it needs to go back in like this. That's a note. That's a note for myself and for you. So now we just pull this out. Just like that. Congratulations. You removed the rear seat belt. This is for estate cars, sedans and hatchbacks. Have them mounted to the body of the car, not to the seat. If your seat belt doesn't come out from the seat itself, this video is not for you. You need to search for a different video. This video will work only if your seat belt is in your seat. So that's all. That's how you remove a seat belt from the rear of the car. No, that's how you remove the seat belt from the rear seat. It's not too hard as long as you know what you do. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video where we gotta put this back on. Install it back so that nobody will ever know that you were there. See you next time. Bye bye.